Well, folks, it's Christmas 2020. We're trying to put this here gingerbread house on display.
We need prayer.
Introducing Rose
Hi.
to the show.
We need prayer. Always.
Right now, it's a hot mess, but slow progress. We had house walls falling down just a second ago. We're letting Kim take the superintendent's lead here. Easy does it. That's what they say in AA. Easy does it.
It's working.
It's a Christmas miracle.
Praise God.
It's a work in progress, that's for damn sure.
Well, it's going.
Aren't we all?
Yes.
Do we know what side's the front?
Yeah. This right here's the front.
Yeah.
Well, either way.
So this is the yard area right here.
The yard, is that where the prisoners play?
No.
They get let out for solitary?
I guess.
Kim, it's good. Don't move it.
This is the move. Oh.
You ain't got to be all like that.
We need coffee break right now.
All right.
Got the
So
Starbucks.
then the next step, trying to get a sponsorship from Starbucks.
We got the Starbucks right here. You see? It's good. Peppermint mocha.
This says that we can use this thing right